Welcome. Cinnamon is a common spice. It is available and used in all parts of the world. Cinnamon comes from the branches of trees of Cinnamomum family. It found mostly in Caribbean, South America and Southeast Asia. Cinnamon has been regarded highly throughout the world, even in ancient Egypt since 2000 BC. Doctors used it in medieval times to treat cough, arthritis, sore throats. In the US and Europe, it regards as a second most beneficial spice after pepper. Cinnamon is available mostly in two forms as spice: powder, pieces of bark, oil, supplements. Cinnamon has mainly two types. These two have different set of nutrients. The two types of cinnamon are Cassia, Ceylon. There are many studies which suggested cinnamon has many essential nutrients and compounds. These compounds have many properties like antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antidiabetic, antimicrobial. The cinnamon might offer protection from some serious health issues like cancer, cardiovascular disease. Cinnamon has many health benefits. It can be a great help as far as weight loss is concerned. It has been seen that when it comes to weight loss, people tend to go for shortcuts. You must keep this in mind that there is no short-term fix to lose extra weight. You should eat proper diet. This aromatic spice can help you in multiple ways. You can achieve your weight loss goals by taking cinnamon in your food. Are you worried about bulging stomach? Take a cup of cinnamon tea in your diet to overcome stomach issues. It will also help in fighting stubborn fat as well, and make you fit and smart. This bittersweet spice will aid your weight loss goals in following ways. It facilitates metabolism, regulate blood sugar level, improve insulin function. However, you should understand that cinnamon would not help you lose weight without a balanced diet and regular exercise. You should do regular workout and a balanced or clean diet if you want to lose weight. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for new updates. Thank you.